Get the monkey and his sister out of the shop. The monkey sits and cries. A monkey asks for help from a woman. The woman asked him to give her a broom. Then he asked the peacocks to give him water and food. Feeds the peacocks. The monkey took many peacock feathers. The monkey began to make a design on a cloth with peacock feathers. The monkey makes a sari. The woman was surprised to see the sari. The woman who wears the sari likes it very much. The woman was happy and gave the monkey a lot of money. The monkey ran to the store and bought many dolls for his sister. The monkey went home and gave the dolls to his sister. Her sister started dancing happily. So friends, we learn here, after the father, it's the elder brother's responsibility to fulfill all the wishes of his little sister.